Hello. Okay, so I'm using the Kominka tractor, mini tractor, let's call it. And yeah, I was a little bit in the middle. So the idea is I will pass it once, finish once, then I will use again this to remove a little bit more of the branches and some other things, and then I will use it once more, and that should be, and I will use that another one time. So 2 times this, 2 times that, and this part should be ready for the weekend. Later I might try to build a door here. I have some idea about how to do it. I'm not so sure, but the idea is in my head, so let's try to bring it to life, my crazy ideas. How hard should be making a door, right? And I want to make another one here. I mean, there is another one there, of course, but I want to make another one maybe here, because of the kiwi thing. So for the next year and everything be a little bit more easy to enter. So I will put another one here in the middle. We'll cut here, we'll cut there. Boom, another door. And that's it. That's pretty much it. So let me put this somewhere that you guys can watch a little bit. It's pretty hot day, so let me see. Yeah, pretty solid. Okay, so as you can see, there is still a lot of garbage, a lot of rocks, a lot of this, roots and branches. So I'm gonna use one more of this. Let me put the camera again. And later I might need to buy. I need an attachment for the hose. So for the next time, if I do it like a little bit wet, it's gonna be much better. So let's try to use one. Okay, let me try one second one thing in the house. One second here. One second, guys. yeah, I realized that I didn't need this for the hose because I just need a little bit of water just to. So let me put 1 second this, see if it works. Yeah. Okay, so the idea is just to wet a little bit the soil. After removing the dirt, yeah, just a little bit. I might not, but yeah, of course. Yeah, this should be enough. So okay, so I will do the rest of this. Let me put it here and keep going. Okay. Second step. So as you can see, it's just a matter of time. Really, it's just a matter of do this. Do this slowly and trying to remove as much as we can. As you can see, the soil becomes like a really soft. So it's damn, all these roots. So the soil becomes really soft. So it's just a matter of, wow, look at this, it's like a rope. Really, it's just like a taking ropes from underground. Yeah. Yeah, so slowly I will arrive to the point that I almost have no garbage and we can properly plant a lot of things here. It's pretty big. I mean, I really don't know if in the camera you can appreciate this, but it's more or less like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's like a 9 meters. 9 or like 3. Yeah, 9 by 3, which is huge. 9 by 3. Oh wow. So the idea, once we start planting, is divide these into small chunks and start planting. We want to start doing it this weekend because we are still on time to plant a lot of things, tomatoes and a lot of other things. So as soon as we start planting, we can start enjoying much more vegetables and things. But still, for the doors, I really don't need it right now, the doors. Maybe when the vegetables start growing a little bit, maybe something can enter. But right now there's nothing, so it doesn't matter if something enters here. But I will try to start doing it as soon as possible. I have a really simple door idea, so it's gonna be pretty basic. And then once we finish all this, to prepare this and start planting this, we will start doing this side too. Here in the middle there is like this small, how to call it, I don't know how to call it, but it's like a small mountain thing. So this part we will leave it just as it is, just to walk or something, and then we will do the same here, which is more or less the same, 3, 4, 9, 4, 9, 4, 3 or something. So it's a huge garden. So let's start with this, and let's try. Let me put the the cover to the machine. Yeah, so this is more in case suddenly rain or something, because we are still in like a rainy season in Tsuyu, so it could happen. So just in case. Oh, I don't know if I told this already. I really don't know, but the plant that we have in the other side, the myoga, this weekend, my friend partner, when she saw this, she said like, guys, why do you have one plant of myoga there when there is thousands of myoga plants in here? All these guys are myoga plants. Myoga is like a root that it grows under the soil and then start a little bit going out, and at some point you can just pick it, and here in Japan it's really famous. And you can find it everywhere. So we have all this from that there around the tree, all around the tree. There is a lot here. So at some point I need to clean all this. The problem is that in there is a lot of branches from when the people cut these trees and some other trees there. So first I will have to push a little bit that to the other side, and once I push that there, I will try to clean all this and maintain all the myoga garden, if not for this year, at least for the next year, to be usable, all this. So that's one of the things we have to do sooner or later. Some people don't really realize how much work is involved when you have one of these houses, like a full of nature. If you're an active person like me, and you like to to read different things from the nature and produce different things and things like that, you can find a lot just there, just in nature. You don't plant them, you don't take care of them, nothing. It just grows, and it's really amazing. All the things that we can eat around the house, from the mountain, everything. It's incredible, really. It's incredible. That other myoga plant, we used to put water in it every day. Put water, worried, about maybe it will dry, maybe it will die, maybe it will whatever. Every day, taking care of that plant, and it's amazing. It's growing really good. And then you see these guys. We haven't touched them, we haven't put water, we haven't taken care anything, no, anything at all, and they just grow even bigger than the ones we have there. So it's pretty amazing how when you give nature the chance, she just surprises you, with things. And I'm pretty happy. I feel really honored and really happy to be able to have all these things around, and all these things, because even at some point there are a lot of things that we don't use. Like, for example, the mint around here. We could use a lot of mint, but we don't use as much as we can. I can use it sometime for to make food. I can use it sometime to make, imagine, a mojito now in summer or something. But even with all that, there is no way I can eat all this. But the good thing is that it's here. And even if I don't do anything, even if I don't touch anything from here, even if I forget about this here, it just grows. It's just here. And that's really lucky. Really lucky. And like this with all the other things. So we will try to do our best here in the part that we can control, and we will leave the rest to nature, and we will just enjoy what we have and what nature have for us. So let's just do that. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna do a small break because it's pretty hot, so I'm gonna work a little bit more. I'm gonna do a little break, and I will do a little bit more later. And so yeah, as I said, thank you very much for watching, and see you pretty soon, guys. Bye bye.